Javier! Welcome to Dapli Vlogs! Yan, ako, subaybayan niyo po siya dahil napakaraming niya pong pwedeng i-share sa inyo. Ito pong tao na to, na nagsisimula pa lang ko, lagi ko kasama to, kaya sabi ko na siya po talaga ay napakatotoong tao, kaya yung mga ipapakita niya sa inyo, sana subaybayan niyo siya. Okay, support her! I love you, Tol!
Ito guys, welcome back. Ano? English? Oo nga, bakit nga ba?
Why I'm talking in English? I'm talking to myself.
Oh my goodness. I said I've been to Bungaw last time and I saw just a big one, but this is bigger. Yes, it's bigger. It's really big. Oh really?
Yeah.
See? Let's say hi to our vlog.
Hi.
This is Doc. Yeah, we are Doc, shout out. Yeah, shout out.
Hi
So we
guys.
catch,
Great to meet you.
Yes, thank you so much, Doc. We catch Doc early morning.
Doc for Doc is
He's feeding the
no,
They love to eat.
yes,
Doc
from
is
Japan.
husband of Patricia Javier.
See, that's our newest baby there.
There is so much pogi and so super bait. Ayan, this is the koi,
Yeah,
koi fish.
koi fish. It shows on their how big they are because they love to eat too much.
Not all of them get big. Only
Yeah, really?
that's why they're so valuable.
Oo. Koi fish are almost different kinds, no?
There's many.
Yeah, there's
They're all different names. Like, one is called Pancho. One is they're all different. Showa, Sanke.
Yeah, even the body itself, the pictures.
Yeah.
Because
So you can tell what their breed is by their pattern.
Nay,
because I saw it's different all over the body.
sanay?
Red. That's called Pancho. The red
Oo, wait lang.
on the head and white. That's Pancho.
This is the garden, this is the house. Ito yung house ni Patricia Javier, guys. Yung bahay niya. Ito yung bahay niya, guys. Diyos ko, grabe guys. Napaka ganda, napakalaki. Diyos ko. Kanyang garden. Garden niya.
The ones that's gonna, I mean, it's a big business. They breed them. They get their eggs, and then they make more, and then sell.
yeah, but what happened to the old one?
They live 20, 30 years.
Oh my god! So that's good. And it's not only it's very costly, right?
Yeah. Of course, the bigger, more
The bigger,
mahal.
yes,
Yeah.
more mahal. See? Marunong po siya
Eh,
magtagalog.
but how much this one?
These average around 25,000.
25 plus one, only one?
One lang.
Wow.
My most expensive is 30,000. The shiny one here. That's called the Genrin Sanke. He's 30,000 because he's so malaki. She, babae. The bigger ones
babae
are
siya.
babae. They're more
okay.
valuable
Yeah,
because
yeah.
they
The small-
have the eggs.
So this is
The small one is boy.
The skinnier ones are boys. Yeah.
So this is how we are going to differentiate
The
them.
big ones are babae.
Oo, babae.
Tis lagi. And they give birth to thousands of eggs, and then they eat them.
Oh,
Yeah, this isn't set up to have children because they need to latch on to like a seaweed and then spawn. But this is just obviously you can see there's no seaweed, so the eggs get eaten. It's very high protein nutrients for the other fish. So already we've had a couple get pregnant and
and
you
eat
see
them.
the little eggs, strings of eggs, and they eat
Oh,
them.
they eat it.
Yeah.
Anyways, This is very costly. We cannot even have one of this. And even for taking care of it, it's so hard. So it's very
Yeah,
hard.
down below there's a big compartment that's necessary to keep this thing fluid. You'll see if you walk down. It's, down below is a whole other room for the pool and the koi.
Thank you, God.
Galing na ako doon sa baba.
Yeah, check this out. We have a spa
Oh,
Mayroon pa daw silang sinihan.
and we have theater.
there's
We have movie theater.
There's movie theater, Daphne.
Yan, nakita ko nga.
Halika daw.
Halika rito.
Ayan, ito yung swimming pool dito.
Kasi gusto ko buuin muna yung isang shoot dito.
Kaya nga, ayan.
Wait lang, Doc.
So, ayan po yung area.
Gusto ko buuin yung isang nito lugar.
Tagal ko nang nakipag-usap, 4 na minuto pa lang yun. Ang ganda ng mga nila, landscape.
Grabe si Sikoy. Ang ganda si Sikoy. Sobrang ganda. Kailangan dito may... Grabe, ang laki ng isda, no? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Daphne. This is Daphne V Vlogs, and now I'm here at Patricia house. Yeah, guys, the mother of Patricia house. This is my second mother also. Ayan, guys. Ampon kasi ako, guys. Ako yung ampon na layas. Hindi magpirmamente, guys. Ayan, guys. Nandito po tayo sa kanilang bahay, guys. No, sa bago nilang bahay, guys. Grabe, guys. Sobrang laki. Hindi ko, ako na ang naihilo kung paano ako iikot. Sa sobrang laki, guys. Kaya ayaw ko mag-swimming, guys. Hindi ako maano sa swimming. Hindi ako yung pag nakakita ako ng swimming pool na ako, lusob kagad. Ayoko kasi hindi ako mahilig talaga mag-swimming or kaya mag-bait sa dagat, ganun. Hindi ako mahilig talaga. Kasi sa dagat sawang-sawa na ako. Dahil malapit kami sa dagat, guys. Kaya sa swimming pool naman, ganun din, di ako talaga mahilig sa swimming pool. Kaya dito po yung kanyang kapaligiran, guys. Yung kapaligiran niya, guys, is mountain naman, guys. Yung kapaligiran ng bahay ni Patricia Javier, ayun. Parang feeling ko abot ko na yung mundo, no? Sa ganda ng kapaligiran ng mountain, ayan, guys. Ayan, guys, Alam niyo ba, guys, napaka-humble ni Doc. Yung asawa ni Patricia Javier, napaka-humble. Wala siyang hindi siya suplado. Wala, as in wala, kasi binata pa talaga yan, nakilala ko na yan, hanggang sa nagsama sila ni Patricia Javier, ayun, hanggang ngayon nagkaanak sila ng 2. Ayun, hindi nagbabago yung ugali ni Doc. The more na makilala mo siya, talagang doon mo masasabi kung anong ugali niya, kasi nakasama ko rin sila, no? Pero mabait talaga si Doc, yung mag-asawa. Guys, ayan, guys, yung sa baba, guys, ayan, guys, yan yung golf, yan yung golf, yung sa baba, ayan, yan yung golf, yung golf dito, guys. Ayan yung golf dito. Tapos ayan yung ano, yung pinaka ano, iwan ko ano yan, quarry ba ano, parang ano. Yan guys. Kaya lang hindi pa masyado kasi maaga pa eh. Di maliwanag, medyo madilim. Kasi andito na tayo sa mountain kasi. Yan guys.